Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sister mi bá mi dárúkọ yín fáwọn èèyàn mi.
Orúkọ mi ni Asmaulahi Losna.
Ṣé àbẹ̀tẹ́ kí n bèrè orúkọ yín?
Why?
Kò sábúrú nù kíyàn rí òdòdó tó fine. Àbí ṣé ẹ̀ single ni?
No, in between mo.
In between. So kò sábúrú kíyàn rí obìnrin tó fine tó tún wá máa rá mú báyìí. Kó wá fi hàn pé obìnrin yìí fine yo. Ọmọ ìlú mi tún ni yín. Ṣé ẹ rí wa? Ṣé ẹ ti rí sí? Kí ẹ wá fi hàn pé obìnrin yìí fine káwọn ọkùnrin alálùbáríkà ọkùnrin rẹ̀ kan lè he kó tó lọ. Mo like dressing yín lálẹ́.
Thank you, ma.
Ìyá wọn kúnlẹ̀ o. Thank you. Kí ló inspire dressing yín?
Because of the thing, Arabian nights. The more way it looks Arabian now, so I just decided to wear something like this to this place.
Ó yá ká yọ tíìmù kúrò.
Okay.
Báwo lẹ feel pẹ̀lú múra yín lálẹ́?
I feel good. I feel great. But became a motion calling the sherry.
Kí wá lọ́sọ̀ parí ATM Ànọ́bì?
It's one of my mommy, but I know him so very well because Ajowani in the same area and in Agege. So I love everything about him. I just like him naturally. But I'm at to invite him to Sasala too. I'm about to zikri every time. So the Baba zikri by wo. Look at la kufa where I find out makana ali for ATM business.
So do you want this program to be a one-time program or you want more of it?
Come about I should go maybe every 3 months. You know, be every 4 months. You know, maybe my every month go on the question my show look. Come back on the funny okun atagba let's my attend soon.
All right, thank you so much and enjoy the party. Have fun.
Thank you, ma.
All right,